How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. If you are experiencing issues receiving verification code in your Gmail account, then this problem can arise from several factors, but here are some steps to help you resolve it. First of all, ensure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi network. Simply drag down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen and check if you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If not, turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Now, once done so, go to the Gmail app, check your spam and quarantine folders. Sometimes verification email might be mistakenly filtered into your spam or quarantine folders. So all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your device. Now simply inside the Gmail app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top left corner of the screen and scroll down and tap on the spam option available here. Now once inside the spam folder, look for the verification email and if you found it, mark it as not spam. So if you do not still find it, now go back to the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Now once inside the general, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on the reset and tap on reset network settings. And that is it. Now all you have to do is go and ask for the Gmail verification code again once you do so. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.